Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is stamina. Stamina is a noun that means the physical or mental energy needed to keep doing something difficult for a long time without becoming exhausted. For example, the dancer built stamina through daily practice so she could perform the entire routine without losing strength or control near the end. He needed mental stamina to study for hours, review difficult material, and stay focused even when the work felt repetitive. The long hike tested their stamina because the trail kept climbing and there were few places to rest along the way. Synonyms for stamina include endurance, energy, staying power, resilience, and strength. Stamina often describes energy that lasts during exercise, work, study, or stress. It is close to endurance, but more focused on sustained energy. That's stamina. One word, stronger English.